Okay, perfect. There we go. We are live, guys. We are live. Beautiful stuff, guys. Welcome to the live stream right here. We are finally live. 5 minutes delay. I was here in the office. We had a bit of a delay with the elevator to come up. Not sure why, but we are here. We are all waiting in the lobby. I appreciate that, guys. We will never miss a day. That's one thing about us. We will never miss a day. Myself, Marcelino, Marco, Shaquille, we will never miss a day. It'll always be 2 streams every single day, no matter what. Literally. What's up, Yasin? What's up, Trippy, Sly, Dirk? How you guys doing? Matete, Mohammed Hassan, King JFX, Chris from Cape Town, Yasin Sheikh, of course, Tim Dollar FX, Brandon John Hall. Welcome, guys. It's a beautiful Friday right now. We're about to smash the charts. We're about to look for a banger trade here on gold. And we're about to take it to new heights, of course. We're about to smash it out of the ballpark. But yeah, let us just wait a few minutes until a few more people join up. And then once everyone is joined and in the chat, then we will get into it. Juma Mubarak, bro. Juma Mubarak to you too, my brother. I caught some buys at 3 a.m. Amazing stuff, bro. What's up, Anonymous Rules, the Trader Unknown, Irfan? What's up, guys? What's up? We live. Let's go. Beautiful Friday. Grateful to be alive. Grateful to be on the stream with you guys once again. To be smashing. And you can see, we even representing Space Markets. Space Market shirt right here. You already know the merch goes absolutely crazy with it. But yeah, man. Absolutely beautiful. What's up, Wise? It says Salam Boss Tyreek from Instagram. Just sign up this morning. Beautiful stuff, bro. Beautiful stuff. Thanks for the call out. I got you, my bro. I got you. It's not a stress, bro. Not a stress, man. Let's go. Okay, so King JFX is asking Safwaan, how has your trading week been so far? It's been absolutely beautiful. I won't lie to you. It's been absolutely beautiful. We've caught banger trades after banger trades, and it just come down to discipline, literally, because you can see the market this week has been ranging quite a bit. You can see it's just been in this range since the 12th of January until now, but we were able to catch some nice buys from the level of support multiple times, all to the upside, and just basically kill it. So yeah, it's been quite good so far. Alhamdulillah for that. It's been absolutely beautiful. But yeah, how has your guys' trading week been so far? Saw your trades from yesterday. Insane, man. Well done. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. Amazing. I'm glad you saw the trade. I hope you caught the trade as well with me, because you would have made some good money with it. Still holding the trades from yesterday. Crazy stuff, bro. Crazy. That's some holding power right there. I won't lie to you. Brandon John Hall says like and subscribe. Of course, bro. You already know the drill. Make sure you leave a like on the stream. Subscribe. You already know, guys. We're aiming to get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year, guys. Or even way before that. So help us to get there. Share the stream with your guys' friends. And let's go, man. Mo Cash Khan says, how's a buy looking? I'm not sure right now. I'm going to get into the analysis of the chart in just a second. We're just letting everybody join up, and then we are going to get straight into it. Let me just send this out here on my group. Join now. I'm about to start analyzing gold. Get in. So yeah, I'm about to start analyzing gold right now for you guys here on this free YouTube live stream. So let's see what we can chop up here on gold. If we can get a good entry, if we can get a trade, what exactly can we do here on gold? Because of course we want to end off the week on a positive note, on a high note, right? So let's see what can we see on gold, what can we do with gold, and if we can smash it real quick. Beautiful. Before we even get to that, guys, please I ask you guys just to leave a like on the stream. We are 140 people in the chat right now. Let's get to at least 70 or 80 likes, at least. Please just do that little favor for me right there, and then we'll get straight into analyzing the chart. So let's see the chat over here. I caught a trade with you yesterday, made roughly around 20,000 Rand thanks to you. Crazy work, bro. Katlejo asking, how's the car, bro? The car is still in Durban. The BMW M240 is still in Durban. It is hopefully going to get fixed up very, very soon. We're waiting for the insurance to get back to us and basically say, okay, your claim has been accepted or denied. Hopefully it will be accepted. And then, yeah, take it from there. Basil says, I believe we will be selling today. I'm not too sure, bro. We're about to get into it right now. What's up, Mohammed Aziz? Assalamu alaikum, bro. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, bro? Masipa, how you doing, bro? I can't say your first name. I won't like Kecherere. Masipa. I can't. It's a bit of a difficult name to say. But yeah, welcome to the stream, everybody. Welcome to the stream. Let's go. Okay, so on gold, first of all, right? Let's start all the way from the daily time frame, right? We can see, of course, we're at all-time highs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here. I'm going to put a call out. And I'm going to say, this here is the all-time highs, the ATH. ATH basically means all-time highs, right? Because this is an all-time high on gold. Gold has never been this high before. Let me see here in the chat. Uzi Gaming says, please explain the 40% cap profit on a 2 million and 4 mil. So basically, you can't make more than 40% profit on the accounts, to my understanding. I am not that much of a prop firm trader. I've only gotten into it literally this week. So I don't have that much of knowledge on prop firms. But if you message the support team, I'm sure they'll get back to you ASAP. They're on the floor here in the office. They'll get back to you ASAP on exactly what it means with the 40% cap and this and that and this and that. So yeah. Rabali says, please check US 30 about to give us a massive sell. I will check, bro. I will check it out soon. Let's just go through gold first, of course, because you know we are gold traders. But this is our all-time high over here on your daily time frame. You can see we had a very big bullish candle on Monday. Tuesday we had a very small bearish candle. Wednesday a much bigger bullish engulfing candle. And Thursday yesterday we had a very small bearish candle with a nice rejection to the upside, showing us that there is still bullish momentum, right? So let's now drop down to our 1 hour time frame. We went straight away to our 30-minute time frame and just look for our support and our resistance, right? Take away that there and let's get into our support and our resistance and exactly how we can draw this in, right? Make the camera just a bit smaller right there. 1 second, there we go. How is prop firm made? I'm not sure, bro. I'm not too sure about that. I won't lie to you. What's up, Loki? For Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum salam to you, bro. Hope you guys are doing well. But over here, of course, what do we do every single day when we get onto the charts? We have a clean chart and we are looking for our levels of support and our levels of resistance. So we see over here that we have this level of support that was recently created. We took a trade, I think it was yesterday. This was our trade right here, where we bought gold somewhere over here and caught this entire move all the way up. So this is basically now saying that this is a strong level, right? We can even extend this level all the way across to the previous price action and see that it has been respected multiple times, right? So I'm just going to take here let's take a highlighter, right? You can see here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times the market has actually respected this level of support, which means that, of course, this is now a strong level of support. So let's type it in here. Let me put this is a level of support, right? Let me just delete all of these drawings over here, these blue dots, so you guys can see clearly what I'm trying to explain. Very beautifully, we have a nice strong level of support, right? So we're going to be going through gold very in depth because, of course, it is very early in the morning. We still have the entire day and the entire night that the market's going to be open. So we have to obviously see like our overall analysis for the day and what we can possibly see will happen with gold. So that's why I'm taking it a bit slower, just so you guys can go through it with me and understand perfectly. If any of you guys in the chat do not understand even one small thing, please do let me know. I don't mind going back and going back and going back and re-explaining it. This is literally what I do for a living. So please, you make sure that you understand it. This is why I'm here, to teach you guys, to give you guys my knowledge for completely free. So if you guys don't understand anything, you just tell me and I will go back to it with the greatest of pleasure. Let's see what the chat is saying over here. You choose to switch times with someone else. So today Marco will be live at 4 o'clock. So yeah. Masipa says, let's kill the chat, bro. Made 300 USD yesterday. Beautiful stuff, man. Beautiful stuff. Randy says, Mr. 7 Foot, my favorite trader at margin call. I love you, man. I love you. You're amazing, Randy. Absolutely beautiful, bro. You are the best. Abdul Rahim says, how's it, bro? What would you suggest is a good lot size on a 50,000 account to make good profits while also not breaching the drawdown rules? I would say stick to a 0.01. That's what I would do specifically. What I would do personally, I would stick to a 0.01 lot size. Because remember, with a 50,000 account, you can only lose, say, 5%, right? So, of course, that there, if I do the math, it would be, you can only lose 2,500 Rand, which is obviously a very small amount. So, just to be safe, then be sorry, you rather stick to the smallest lot size and try and compound from there. Let's see. So this guy is saying, how far do you go back in the charts to draw your support block? I use the most recent price action to draw in my support and my resistance. So this here was the most recent level of support that we had, and I drew it off of this. Then I just extended it to the left hand side, and it was the case where this level was applicable to all of these points over here, where the market respected these levels multiple times. So I use the most recent price action to actually get my levels of support and my levels of resistance. Yesenia Salam, bro, do you do one-on-one in-person mentorship? Yes, I do, bro. It just depends where you are. Like when I went to Durban, now last week, I did in-person mentorships there. Now I'm back in Joburg because I stay in Joburg, and we can do one-on-one in-person mentorships as well if you do want that. Rather have a live all sessions. I can't I try, bro. I'll try. Humaid is asking, is this being recorded? Yes, it is, bro. It is being recorded. Of course, it's a live stream, so it'll be on YouTube forever. So you can always watch it, bro. What's your take on trading on Fridays? Trading on Fridays for me personally is not an issue, right? It's a normal trading day. People always say don't trade on Monday, don't trade on Friday. For me personally, no one knows how the market is going to actually be on those days. So why would you now go and say, no, I don't want to trade on this day just because someone said so, right? They have no clue if the market will be moving nice or if the market will be moving bad on those specific days. There's no way anyone can tell you on this day specifically the market will move bad. It's impossible. It's impossible for anyone to tell you that. So that's why I personally just trade or I analyze every single day. And if I see a trade, I take a trade. If I don't see a trade, I don't take a trade. Just that simple. Do you use the FIB, bro? No, I don't use the FIB. I just use pure price action and I trade off of that, bro. Why do you only trade gold and not US 30 and German 30 and other futures? I personally think gold moves the best from every other pair. That's why I specifically stick to gold. And I've also, of course, had the most success with gold. That's why I trade gold only, bro. Tim says, I thought the offices was in CPT. No, it's not, bro. The offices are here in Joburg, bro. In Sandton. What's the latest time you're allowed to be in the office? Anytime, bro. Anytime, literally. Perfect, bro. In Joburg as well. We'll pop you a message. Yeah, perfect. Just send me a message either on Telegram, on Instagram, on WhatsApp, wherever you want to. Send me a message over there and I'll get in contact with you and we'll set up the in-person, bro. Do you guys work for the workplace or you guys share rent between each other? I can't answer that, bro. I can't answer that. I won't lie. Does space markets allow trading on weekends? Yes, we do. We allow trading on synthetics. So we have the synthetic markets which are open 24/7 and you can trade synthetics on space markets on the weekend. Yo, look who's here. Mr. Alexander Lapolkov in the building with his coffee and his muffin. You already know, man. Randy's asking, what's your Instagram? My Instagram is just FX Killers, bro. I'll type it out here for you so that you guys can see. FX Gold, of course. We're waiting for a setup here. This is my Instagram right over here for Mr. Randy. You're asking about that. You must try trading US 30. Nah, bro. Gold has been the most successful for me. That's why I just keep it, bro. Let's chop the charts, but we've been chatting. Yeah. We are going to chop the charts up right now. Perfect. So once we have our level of support, of course, we are going to now look for a level of resistance. And of course, we know we have this level of resistance all the way up top over here. This is now your level of resistance because it's also the all-time high. Resistance. Right? This is your level of resistance right here. They're saying, when is Alex going to trade with us? Alex. They're asking, when are you going to trade with us?
What?
They said, when is Alex going to trade with us?
Hey, my man. My
They
man.
want Alexander Napolkov to be on the stream, man.
Hey, my man. We don't do those. We keep them.
You keep your trading away.
We safe keep them.
You keep your strategy safe. Me, I keep my strategy out. I say, take my strategy, bro. Take it away, man. But yeah, like I was saying, this here is our level of resistance. This is our level of support, right? So now that we have this here, we can now obviously trade off of these levels. And just to be safe, let's go and put in another level of support or resistance down below here. And it can be something like this, right? We can have another level down below over here, because you can see that the market actually respected this level over here, over here, and over here 3 times. The market respected this level 3 times, which means 1, 2, 3. So that's why this now is valid level of support. So if the market does break below here, we could have a possible sell all the way down to this level over here. Just watching the copyright. Just watch the copyright.
Oh, can you hear it?
Yeah. So if it does sell, we could have a possible sell all the way down till this level of support over here. That's the possibility if we have a sell. So yeah, like I always do every single day, when we have these levels in, we can now have our different scenarios and say, are we going to go up from here? Are we going to go down from here? What do we wait to see? So the first scenario I have, of course, is it gets to the level of support. And since it's actually respected this level so many times, if it does respect it once more, then we could have a possible buy to this level of resistance, or the all-time highs, basically. So yeah, this is the first scenario that we have right here. If it comes to support, we could have a possible buy from this level because it has respected this level multiple times, right? Then the second scenario that we could have, I'll put this in a different color for you guys, is if it just goes all the way up to this level of resistance, breaks above. Wait, let me draw it properly for you guys. Let me just draw it for you guys properly. If it goes from this level where it's at right now all the way up, breaks above the resistance, retests it, and then goes further to the upside, right? So I'll put this here in a different color. I'll put this in red. So the black one is scenario 1. The red one is scenario 2. And then the third one that we could have is if it breaks below this level, retests, and then continues all the way down. This one here I'll put in blue, right? So we have 3 different scenarios that we could have over here, right, which I'm personally seeing. We have the first scenario where it goes to the upside. So I'll put here the black is scenario 1. Scenario 1.
Are you here?
Red is scenario 2. And blue is scenario 3. Scenario 3. So that there is our 3 scenarios that could possibly take place, where with the black one, the first one, it's going to come down to the level of support, respect the level of support, and then continue going up to the all-time highs. The second scenario that we could have is where it just pumps, basically. It just shoots all the way to the upside, breaks above the level of resistance, retests that level, and continues to go even further to the upside. And the third scenario that we have is going to be breaks below the level of support, retests the level of broken support, now turned into resistance, and then continues further down. Is everybody understanding? Let me know. Please also, guys, don't forget to leave a like on the stream. I see we have 180 viewers in the chat, and we only had 57 likes, so please do me a favor and just go click the like button. It'll help to push the stream out to more and more viewers, and then I'll be able to share my knowledge with more and more people. And that's how more people in this world are going to grow and hopefully become financially independent. So yeah. I don't know what's going on with this here, but don't lose your work and restart your computer. What the fudge? What's going on here? I don't know what this is, bro. It's saying it's gonna restart the computer. I'm gonna probably start. Just see what happened in this thing, yeah?
I think I'm posting too much of the chat.
Yeah. Did this, yeah? Okay, where's the Streamlab? That's here.
You're going live?
Yeah, I think it's live. Yeah, it's live again.
Is it live? Still there?
Nah, only 50 viewers now.
Yeah, it'll come back.
From 200. We back. Yeah. Okay, perfect. Sorry about that, guys. We had a bit of a technical difficulty. I don't know why the PC just decided to switch off. But we are back. We are back. We are back. Just wait for the people to join back here on the stream. Basically. But yeah. Let's see what the chat's saying over here. King JFX says, I think the market will go to scenario 3, but I guess we will have to wait and see. Exactly, bro. We're gonna have to wait and see what actually happens on in the markets. Let's see. Let's go back here to the chat. Let's get this going. I've been holding buy since 8 AM. I put SL to entry now. Amazing, bro. Very good that you have secured your trades. Beautiful stuff, bro. Beautiful stuff. Let's put this thing back on here. Go off with this. Perfect. We're back. 150 viewers right now. Beautiful stuff. We are back like it never even happened. That's how we do it. We adapt. Quick. We said now we're fixing this real quick. What's up, FP Gaming? Hope you well, bro. Might have a Juma intervention. Crazy stuff, bro. Do you think I can flip 1k to 10k in a day? It is possible. You can do it, bro. It's just a little bit difficult, but it is definitely possible, bro. You can do it. That South African trader says we're back. Yes, sir, we're back. Why does no one trade silver? It's so much easier. Silver for me moves a bit too slow. That's why, bro. I'll be honest with you. It moves a little bit too slow. That's why I don't like to trade silver. But yeah. Full margin. Full margin. I'm going in. Full margin. Yeah, let me know what you guys want me to analyze. If it be US 30, NASDAQ. If it be, I don't even know what you guys want me to analyze. Just let me know. But yeah, I'm going to actually put a poll out right here. And we're going to see, what do you guys want me to analyze? US 30, NASDAQ, or currency pair? Okay, perfect. Start the poll. Yeah, you guys can vote right now, and you can decide what do you want me to actually analyze, whether it be a currency pair, whether it be NASDAQ, US 30. What is it, guys? Let me know. What do you want me to see analyze? BTC USD, we can do that, bro. We can do that. If it is gonna be, let's just see what they're saying here. Yasin says life has been the best since joining FX skills. I appreciate that, man. I appreciate that, bro. Possible scalp setup, not at the moment. We're in between a no trade range, so there's no way we can take a trade. We're in between a no trade range. Holy crap, space markets withdrawal executed. Space markets withdrawal executed live on stream. Crazy. That's why I always say the best broker out there, space markets. Literally, I put my withdrawal in a few, like I think an hour ago before I got on the stream, and paid out already, bro. Beautiful. Yeah, she's asking, when is the 240 coming back? B58 is king. My bro, B58 is the best engine out there. I won't even lie to you. And hopefully the car will be back by next week or the following week. We're waiting for the insurance to come back to us and say, listen, the car's being fixed up by us. We can cover it. We can't cover it. This, that. But hopefully they do cover it. But yeah. I go full margin with every signal Safwaan sends. Crazy, bro. Can you analyze NAS 100 and US 30? I can do both. Definitely can do both, bro. But I see we have 51 votes right now. Once we get up to 100 votes, I will start the analysis of whichever pair is the winner. Let's go, guys. We have 170 views right now. Once we get to 100 votes, then I can start with the analysis and I can do whichever pair you guys want me to do. Is the resistance for today or is it yesterday? It's the exact same level of resistance from yesterday, bro. It's the same level, bro. Please don't analyze NASDAQ. We have to give away exactly, bro. That's the thing. That's what. But if I can analyze, it's not a stress. I just won't trade it because I don't trade NASDAQ. Pranam says, I've been with other traders in the past and let me tell you, you are the best from all. No one has ever taken the time to show the behind the scenes of trading. We win every day. Huge. Beautiful stuff, man. Beautiful stuff, bro. My people will fund month in. Will the streams continue? Bro, we on the streams the entire year. Literally the entire year we are going to be on the streams. Every single day, bro. Momo Fakir says, massive fan of you, Safwaan. Hope we can meet one day. I hope to meet you too, Momo Fakir. I'm not sure who you are, but you do sound like a very nice person. I hope to meet you in person one day. Maybe if I have a meet and greet, then you can come over there and say, what up, and yeah, Momo Fakir 2550. Mateta says, press the like button. Exactly, but we're on 88 likes right now, 175 viewers. Let's get to at least 100 likes. Come on, let's do it, man. But I see in the poll right now, we have 77 people that have actually voted, and it's mostly for US 30. So we are going to go ahead and go over to US 30 because that is the majority of the votes. And you know me, I am a democratic man. If the people have voted for US 30, we're going to do US 30. It's that simple. Forex Universe says, since Monday, I haven't gotten a payout from Comit Capital, but it was approved. I'm sure it will come soon, bro. I'm sure it will come soon. Just message the support team and they will assist you, bro. What's up, Trivo? Big G Safwaan, what's up, bro? Katlejo, what happened on the live? It just stopped. Yeah, we had a bit of a technical difficulty. The PC basically just restarted for some reason, but we are back though. We are back. We can resume the live stream very easily. So yeah, bro. I'm gonna end this poll right now. You should have a spin wheel episode and then the winner gets to spend an entire day at Comit Capital. That actually is a good idea, bro. I won't lie. That actually is a good idea. It's a good idea, bro. No cap. Good idea. Is this also a 1 hour live stream? Yes, it is, bro. It's also a 1 hour live stream. It will be a 1 hour live stream as always. But yeah, just see 1 second. How long have we been live for? Because the stream obviously cut out. So we want to just see how long are we actually live for. We are live. Let's see, they're saying, what do you think about trading silver? I personally don't trade silver, but I do think it is quite good. Personally, I think having silver, like physical silver, is much better than actually trading silver because it's better to invest. Literally, just better to invest. How much is your signals per month? It is 300 Rand for a month, bro. 300 Rand for a month is my VIP signal group. Absolutely genuine guy and the most transparent guy I've ever come across. He really is for the people. 100%, bro. That's really why I came into the industry, because I wanted to show you guys the real side of trading. I don't want you guys to see all these scammers out there showing you 500k profits, this car, that car. No, showing you guys realistic things. I myself, as a 22-year-old, am showing you guys that it's possible. I mean, I came from literally having 0 Rand in my bank account when I was in university in Wits studying. I said, no, I'm changing my life around. I started doing graphic design. I started doing small work here and there to fund my account, to basically get money. Then I started flipping the accounts, 500 Rand to 3K, 500 Rand to 5K, flipping it slowly, building up. Then I started up with the VIP group, with the mentorship, showing you guys the real side of trading. Now we're at a point where I'm 22 years old. I have multiple streams of income. I have multiple different vehicles. I have multiple investments. I'm looking now to get into property as well. So if you guys are in the chat and you guys do property, then just send me a message, because I am looking, of course, to diversify now and get into property. So yeah, I mean, I'm working with literally the biggest and the best broker in the entire African continent, and soon to be the entire globe, because we're going to push extremely hard this year. But literally came from nothing and build my way up all the way. And that, of course, is thanks to God. Literally thanks to God. Do you execute trades live here? Yes, I do. I do execute trades live here on the stream. We're just waiting for gold to give us a trade, then we will do it. Let's go through the chat over here. You guys are doing a very good thing for the trading community. Of course, bro. Of course. Can I join the VIP group from Zambia? Yes, you can, bro. Yes, you can. You can just pay via crypto or via PayPal or that kind of stuff, bro. Still holding my XAU USD shorts. Scenario 1 looks like my thesis. I see a bullish channel. Go for it, bro. The mentorship is 2,500 Rand once off for Royal. You are asking in the chat. It's 2.5K once off. You get 12 videos. You get a full detailed PDF. You get a full support group with 200 other traders that have been mentored by me. And yeah, let's see, they say in here, so Safwaan, we use a 30-minute time frame to draw support and resistance. Then we use the 15-minute and the 5-minute to monitor trade. Exactly. So use the 30-minute time frame to analyze the charts. You then drop down to the 15-minute time frame and the 5-minute time frame to look for your entries. Then you enter the charts or the market from there. If you get a chance on the live, would you review the silver market? I can. Definitely I can. I'm just reading the chat, trying to catch up here. You guys are going crazy in the chat. I love it. Would you say you're a millionaire already or you're almost there? I won't lie, I cannot say that. I can't specify if I am, of course, for security reasons. But yeah, man, I can't say. What were you studying? I was studying at WITS to become a quantity surveyor. It's a very difficult degree, but I was studying to become a quantity surveyor. Bro, you must check out my sneaker plug. I will, bro. Definitely, I will. Bro, contact me regarding property from start to finish. 100%, bro. Did you trade the Asian session this week? I did not. I didn't. But with that being said, let's get into this analysis here on US 30. Let's see, what can we do with Mr. US 30? Can we get some trades? Can we get some analysis going here? Let's put in all our levels over here of support and resistance. This here is a level of support. Type this in here. Right, we have a level of support down here from this over here. I'm going to take a highlighter and put it over here. We have a level of support as well from here because of this level. I'm going to type in here as well. This is a level of support. And of course, we have another level of support over here that was created very recently. It's a very minor level of support, but I'll put it in over here so you guys can actually see it. Minor level of support. And then this here is going to be your level of resistance that we are working with right now. And that's because of this here, right? You can see the market rejected off of this area from here, making it a resistance. The market respected or rejected off this area from here, making it a support. Support and a support. So what I would wait for right now is there's usually not that much of volume, right, during this specific session for US 30, right? The London session doesn't have that much of volume. So what I could see happening is the market just basically playing around in this area until it actually gets to the NY session at 4:30. Then we could have a break to the downside or a break to the upside. But for right now, I would personally stay away from US 30. You can see how slow it's actually moving. It's moving so slow right now. So I would say no trades right now. Right now, low volume. There's low volume, so why would you take a trade when there's low volume? You don't want to obviously be in the trade where your trade's moving so slow and you must wait hours and hours and hours for you to actually make a profit. So yeah, that's my overall view on US 30. But this is my zones. You can take a screenshot of this here if you like. This is my zones over here of support, support, and resistance over there. So these are the levels that I have right here on US 30. Let's go back over here to gold and let's see if we have anything. Nah. So nothing as yet on gold. Let's go over to silver and let's see what the silver market is doing. It's crazy. Silver has gone up insanely. It's absolutely crazy how much silver has actually gone up. And that's literally coming down to the fact that the supply and the demand for silver is driving the price up, right? There's a huge demand for silver right now in the entire world, and they are limiting the supply of it. That's why it's forcing the price to go up, because now the demand is so high and the supply is so low. That causes the price to go up. If you guys did economics in school or in university, you would understand exactly what I'm saying. I did economics for 5 years in school, and I also did economics in my 1 year in university. So that's why I know a little bit about the supply and the demand of these different markets. So let's go. Let's draw in this level of support down here. I will move the screen now so you guys can see. Let me just type this out. Support. So there we go. This is the level of support that we have over here on silver. I will get into the chat in a few minutes time. I can see you guys are asking all these questions. I will get into that in a few minutes time. Let me just finish the analysis here on silver. Then of course this here is your level of resistance as well as your all-time highs. This is your all-time high as well, right? So you can see that we're in between this level of support and resistance. If you then drop down to the lower time frame, the 15-minute time frame, you can see we have a minor level of support that was created over here. So, and we also have a minor level of resistance that was created over there, right? So what do you think is going to happen if we are in between two big zones and two minor zones? We're going to have to wait. We have to wait and we have to be patient to actually see what does the market do. Is it going to break out of this level and retest it and go up to the major resistance like this for a quick scalp trade? Or is it going to come down and break below and go down to the major support level? Then once it gets to the major level of support or the major level of resistance, that's when you can now go and say, we're now looking to see if the market rejects off the level for a possible sell, or does it break above, retest, and just continue going even further to the upside. So you have to see, you have to break it down into if it breaks above the minor level, what does it do? And if it breaks above the major level, what does it do? Then of course, if it gets to the level of support, the major level of support, is it going to respect the level and go up from there? Or is it going to break below, retest, and continue going even further to the downside? That's what you could possibly see, or that's what I am seeing on gold. Perfect. So yeah, sorry, not on gold, on silver. This here is silver. So you can take a screenshot of that. These are my levels of support and resistance. I'll go to the bigger time frame so you can see it a bit more clear. Zoom in a bit, and this is my analysis on silver right over here. Perfect. Let's see what the chat is saying over here. But on your YouTube video, you posted a day in the life of a millionaire trader. Bro. Just take it as you interpret it, bro. Whatever you think is probably correct. Bro passed $1 million probably 4 months after start. They're asking, did I drop out? Yes, I dropped out of university after my first year, because that's when I was trying to make some big profits in the markets. So I said, let me focus my attention now onto trading and give it 1 year and try and basically make a success out of it. And thanks to God, of course, it was working out. It is working out very beautifully. And yeah, there was no need for me to go back to university. Of course, I do still want to go back to university, to WITS specifically, to go and study so that I have a degree behind me. But yeah, let's see. High probability of a downtrend on USD is possible, bro. It's possible. What would you say is the best session for gold? The best session for gold, for me personally, I would say is the London session. It has the most amount of volume and it moves the best for me personally. Then they're saying, how do you tell when you should not trade? When you see the market is ranging and not giving you any breakouts and not following your strategy, you just don't take a trade. Literally, you just sit on your hands and you don't take a trade. It's just that simple. If we break below 4600, we're going straight to my TP. Hopefully, bro. Hopefully you get your take profits smashed and you make some nice, good profits. Do you not use the Fib? No, I don't use the Fibonacci, bro. I don't. Courtney says, please come and visit us in East London for a seminar. We can definitely, bro. We can definitely do that, bro. We have to just plan it and we can do it, bro. He must post the link. Yeah, we can definitely do that, bro. Go to East London and see what's up there, bro. What's your biggest trade? I don't want to like reveal the numbers, but you guys saw yesterday on the stream that we were able to make 52,000 Rand. So that's one of the biggest days in trading. So yeah. Which testimony touched your heart? I won't lie to you. The one testimony that touched my heart the most was when an elderly woman messaged me and she said that she made 5,000 Rand and she was able to go and buy groceries for herself and for her grandkids. That just touched my heart because she used the signals that she paid for and she made money from it and she was able to go and buy food for her grandkids and for herself. So that there was like one of the best ones ever. I still have the message on my phone and I keep it there because I just go and I look at it and I'm like, I'm actually trying to do something good in the world. So that for me was very beautiful. I won't lie to you. Which year did you drop out? I dropped out in 2024. So 2023, I was in WITS. 2024, I said, nope, I'm not going back. I do still go back to WITS to go and chill with my friends. But yeah. Why is it important for you to go to school? Because you never know, bro, what can actually happen. You never know. For example, maybe I just have complete bad days in trading and I end up blowing all my funds. Then I have nothing. At least you know if you have a degree, you have something to fall back onto. It's very important in life to always have more and more knowledge all the time, bro. Do you prefer having a prop certificate or a degree? A degree, of course, bro. And also we have a very special guest right now who's about to actually come into the frame. I know you guys are going to be hyped up. There's 185 views in the chat. And my bro over here.
My bro.
Leadership
What's
in
going
the
on,
building, of course.
Damn,
You already know.
We're live. How do you adjust
Of course,
this chair?
bro. We live. Beautiful.
Yeah, I'm trying
On
to
this
adjust
Friday.
this chair, views, bro.
What, you make it higher?
Yeah, like
Oh, yeah, just stand up.
this technology is too much.
And then just press it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, okay.
There we go.
Damn.
In the building,
What is happening?
Mr. Leadership.
Bro, what are we looking at?
Gold, of course.
Your gold has been giving me a nightmare. Is it coming back up again? Or is it still
Still stuck in this
playing
range.
around that area there?
Yeah, that's why I gave them here 3 scenarios.
There's the chat.
Here is the chat. Yeah, they're saying W's.
Yeah.
Beautiful stuff, man.
It's
Beautiful
amazing.
stuff.
W's in the chat. Guys, I'm not saying anything until I see like W's in the chat. Let's see that. I might just give you that direction, man.
Exactly. Let's get some spam
Let's
W's in
see.
the chat right now.
W Comit one way. Let's
Exactly. You already know.
go. This is fine. Cause you know that, bro. I promise you, right? You see on that high there. This one here.
Yeah, here's a.
Oh yeah, like actually, here. Like was it today's Friday, right?
Yeah, Friday.
So Wednesday night, bro. Crazy story. So Wednesday night, I'm holding
Yeah.
a buy right here. So I'm looking at this price, how the rejection, how it could be. I'm like, okay, look, it's playing back and forth, going to a lower time frame on 30 minutes. It's like, you know what, it's gonna push off. and this we might just break the high. So I find 20,000 rand. I go in heavy, holding 15k profit. Then something tells me close.
Yeah.
I was about to sleep. It was at night. I was like, nah, let me sleep. I'm probably gonna wake up to some crazy high. But something told me close. When I woke up in the morning, it was sitting here.
Account blue.
Yeah, but luckily I closed, bro. So hey,
Nah, at least it's better than blowing the account. But now it's just been stuck in this range, bro, the whole time. But we've been catching these days the whole time. Like when it gets here yesterday, before this side here, off of here, just up here. But like on the low time frame, like a 5 minute time frame.
Yeah, of course. We have to do this low 5 minutes.
Like we enter like just down here.
So that you can have a proper entry point, right?
Because the 1 hour time frame is just too big, bro.
Not seeing nothing, bro.
You won't see anything. It's crazy. Let me just zoom out here. But this is my 3 scenarios. Either gonna go to support, respect it, go up, break above retest, go up, break below retest, go low. Literally.
That last scenario is one I don't want.
Same.
Going it down is just
I don't want to go down.
Yeah.
They're saying I thought RCG and space were enemies. Nah, bro. RCG and space are bros.
You thought
brothers. Yeah, brothers.
Just trade, man, and stop thinking.
Exactly. One time.
Wow, bro. Now this, I mean, what I don't want to see on gold is honestly the drop, man.
Yeah,
like,
same.
It's not gonna be nice.
I don't want to see a drop.
Because I mean, let's see on H4. How does it look on H4? Because if we really do drop, how low are you gonna? Nah.
I think it's gonna come all the way here,
bro.
Because we have a gap to cover here and here.
Yeah.
That's the issue.
Yeah, it wouldn't be fun, bro.
It will be, if you get a good sell entry, you away.
Yeah.
You're buying a car that day.
I don't know if it's just me, but your selling gold feels extremely uncomfortable.
I won't lie, bro. Like any moment you're just gonna back to the upside.
Yeah,
any
just,
second.
You can't be like, you can't sleep with the gold sell. You lie. You cannot catch that sleep with the gold sell, because if I was checking the price, bro, like we hit 4,000, like gold hit 4,000 like sometime on the 25th of November or something.
Yeah.
And we're already almost on 5,000 now.
But like a month, it just.
I don't know if it's me, right? I swear. Let me just let's go to like a bigger time frame. It looks like it took the whole year. Okay, let me go to 4 hours rather. It looks like it took the whole year, bro. Can I refresh this?
Yeah.
It looks like it took the whole year when I was checking. I want to confirm this together right now, right? And which I didn't understand. No, I actually don't want to use that. Let me just use. Let me actually use that. It's fine. I want to see. So let's look at, this was about November 25th. So 26th, I remember this. So price here on this day. I kind of lost my confidence on gold buys after I saw this, but this is what happened. This is what I saw, but let's see. So 4,000, right? We had about 4,000 somewhere around on this day here, somewhere around here. So let's just say on the, long story short, probably on the 21st.
Yeah, November.
Yeah, maybe, okay, 18th. 18th. Yeah, to be that more accurate. Yeah. 18th, right? So, but now in this case, look at it. Look how perfect it looks. So obviously 4,000 hit in November. 2 months later, we're already here. So if you had just bought here and relaxed, you would have just been scaling up, right?
You would have been the whole time adding more entries,
and just
retest
going. Even if you don't know how to trade, I was always saying something like, even if you don't know how to enter, and if you just bought here, you would have been
away, bro.
But now look at the tricky part. I was getting confident. I'm like, okay, that means I can buy now and see it in November. And then I looked at 3,000. Then I checked look at that guy tricky gets, bro. It took the whole year to hit 3,000. I was like,
nah, it took time, bro, to hit 3,000.
Yeah, because where's 3,000, bro? Somewhere around 3.2. So let's see. This is the part that really, I was like, when I was hurt. Somewhere around here, because I know I saw it. 3,000 should have been. This is 3,000 here, right?
Yeah. Should
have been around there. So of course now it's like we're on 4.6 now. So of course I was like 4.6. This is 3,000. 3. Yeah, so somewhere around here. So that's 3,000. So you're telling me this thing went from the 8th of April
the whole year
till
18 November.
Oh, okay. Okay, it actually hit 4,000 somewhere around here for the first time.
Nah, but still, that's April to October.
Yeah.
Just to go up by $1,000 compared to now.
Yeah, because I was looking at it. Because this is our actual 4,000 then. Because I was looking at it like this, bro. I was like, okay, cool. In this case, it means that, because I love the whole idea of buying gold and just going up with it.
Yeah, just hold it all the time.
But I'm thinking, if it took April, May, June, July, August, September, October, 7 months. 7 months to get to 4,000. But now it's taken 2 months.
To get to 5,000 almost. Nah, bro. I'm thinking
Yeah,
gold is
it's-
the way, bro. People
but
are
I'm-
saying play other things. I'm saying
Yeah,
gold, bro.
gold is the way.
Once.
It's just obviously I think we have like faces like these, bro. Like here, let me just zoom in. So you have like, look how it moved last year. So you have like an aggressive push like this that gives you about what, from 3,000 you go to all the way to
3.5 almost.
3.5 in about. Okay, this is what makes it more interesting, bro. Now it makes sense. I'm actually understanding it as we speak about it. So it takes. Oh, okay.
Yeah, not that long actually.
Yeah,
in the same month.
Same month went to 3.4.
That's crazy actually.
Oh no. So we can't really say it took 7 months, bro.
I think it has like periods where it just goes for days,
Yeah.
then it like cools down.
Cool.
Then it goes for days,
Then
cools down.
Because
Double
even
time.
here it plays within.
I don't care, bro. Because
Okay, that makes sense now. Okay, now I'm more comfortable about it now. Yeah, because this whole area here, I think here it plays. Let's see here. Let me try and. I'll try get this one. No, not that one. No, not that one. Yeah, let's get this one. So it looks like it actually stays in that area there.
For a while.
Yeah, for quite a while there. For actually quite a couple of months actually. Can you see?
Yeah,
Just
till
try
September,
adjust.
actually.
Yeah, till about. Yeah, stays in that area. Well, you can always adjust it a bit, like maybe probably like just
Yeah, you can like refine it.
yeah, something like that. But it's the same thing though. Yeah, it stays there for quite a while.
Damn.
Till about September. That's like.
Now, but you see now, like with me, I never look at this.
You never.
I just
Yeah.
look at what happened the previous day
And then
and
you
then
go.
say, bah, let's go buy once. If it bought yesterday, it's gonna buy today. Finished.
Yeah, because this could be really confusing, you know?
Yeah,
Because you
because,
come into it, you're like, yo, what if it does
Exactly.
this? But this is a big time frame. So that people don't really understand is that as much as it looks like it stayed in one, it never really stayed in one area. There's a lot of movement, bro. There's a lot of pips. 3,000 to 400, 400 till all the way back
Exactly.
to.
All you need to catch is just like one 4
One.
hour candle. There's
Because,
so much of money in there already.
yeah, literally just one.
I mean, if you're gonna like swing trade, then yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, and then.
But if you're a scalper like most of us,
I
you just
know.
quickly.
But let's be honest, who's gonna swing such a? You're not
Exactly.
swing from April to
So you're
September.
gonna like beat Chow by swap fees.
Nah. Nah, guys. Anyway, yeah, this is gold talk, man. Shit, I love gold talks.
Same, bro. I won't
Yeah.
like you. But you guys can see right now that we still have no setup here on gold. We've been on the stream for almost over an hour now, and there's still nothing on gold. So we are gonna be waiting, but you guys know this is the analysis for gold for today. Make sure you have a picture of this here so you guys can refer back to it whenever you need to. And if you see a certain sign, like one of the three happening, just send me a message to confirm. You know my Instagram's over there, the Telegram. You just send me a message. You say, is this going down? Is that going down? I'll help you out for completely free. Guys. That's why we are, to help you, to give you the knowledge on trading for 100% free. The space markets way, the Comit Capital way, the
Yeah.
FX Killers way. You guys already know. But yeah, with that being said, my people, it's been a beautiful live stream here on this beautiful Friday. We are going to be signing out. Myself and my brother Ash, we are out for the count. We'll see you guys at.
if they want Ash on board, you want him again?
Yeah, let's actually have a poll right now
Yo,
before
guys.
we actually end off.
I'm gonna say 4,000 subscribers. I'm coming. I'll host a margin call session. You guys give us. Well, what's the amount of subscribers now on YouTube?
We need 200
For
more.
3.8.
Yeah, let's do 4,000 guys. I was about to say 5,000, but it's January. It's fine. Yeah, that's a.
Let's see if you guys do want this. There's a poll in the chat right now for the 170 viewers that we have right now. Let's see how many of you guys actually want
Let's do a
leadership
proper
on the
market-
live stream.
Proper
Right,
market breakdown. We're going to search live trading. I'll also give away some good cash, by the way.
Exactly, of course.
You guys know we're giving away free money all the
Already
time.
know.
So if you guys, let me know if you want this session.
Already got 35 votes already, bro. You can see over here.
So
44
we
votes.
learn, fund, and trade life. That's what it is.
Exactly.
If it hits me, it hits me.
Nah, exactly, bro. If you lose, you lose. At least you're showing them on the live stream that even after you've been a trader for so many years, you can still lose.
Yeah, no,
happens.
that's pretty normal. I mean,
Exactly.
like I was saying, I almost lost what 20k.
Yeah,
Yes,
100%. But it
at
happens.
least I closed.
At least you know that we are still humans. Even though, yeah, we can say professional trader, what.
Yeah, no, everybody.
still make a mistake here and
everybody, You know, I want to show you this screenshot actually. So this is actually the trade I'm talking about, bro.
Damn.
So here I'm holding buys, right?
Mm.
And we
15k.
the
Yeah.
15k up. So you can see. So where that
Shit.
price there is literally that high. If you look, it's
Yeah, look at
literally
it right
it's
here.
literally on 6. What is that?
43. Yeah.
4639.
So it was like just
Literally the
Just
right.
here.
Yeah.
that's crazy. Actually.
Literally. So I'm like.
And you closed just in
yeah,
time.
I'm like 4639. a part of me tells me, nah, we're gonna break the high.
and
We're
go
gonna
further up.
shoot.
Mm.
Hey, then another part is like, nah, boy, that's close.
Just take it once.
And I just closed.
Once, bro.
Closed my
15K is
50,000
15K.
rand. Then next
Once.
thing, this thing was going down. What's the pool saying, guys? They definitely want this
For
session.
4,000,
Yeah.
we'll give $5,000 accounts on Comit.
Yeah, we will.
Tell
That's
them
the
to
way.
Subscribe, like.
Don't forget, guys, leave a
Let's
like
go.
on the stream. 111 likes on the stream right now. Don't forget to subscribe, of course. We have 70 votes to say yes for Mr. Leadership to be in the
Let's
stream.
go.
We are gonna go right now and plan it behind the scenes.
Does
for you
leadership
guys.
have socials? That is crazy.
Of course, leadership has probably the biggest socials. Just go over there, search leadership, it'll come up same time.
Yeah. No, I don't have socials, my brother. I don't exist. I just kidding, man. It's leadership everywhere. But yeah, you guys know what it is, man. Space markets, Comit Capital, margin call. This is all for you guys. I feel like people don't really appreciate such stuff. Like, for somebody to just come out into the office, he's got his own life to live. For him to come out and just give you guys a straight jam like this, it's not
Really?
bap and flex. I know, like,
100%.
I know, like, a lot of people. I was once a fan, or I used to like look up to a lot of traders. So I always feel like they were entitled to feed me knowledge. So I know how you guys feel. You guys probably feel like you deserve this knowledge.
Exactly. Nah, because
Yeah.
they say like if this bro can post in making 50k in a day,
Yeah, then
why
he
can't
must
he help me to make even 500?
make 500. Make
That's
money.
why
Yeah.
we said, nah, we came into this industry to show you guys the real side of trading.
Yeah.
And that's why we're doing it for you guys for 100% free. So all we're asking of you guys, like, subscribe, and share.
It's
That's
very
it.
simple.
And it's free for you guys to even do that.
Very simple.
Even yesterday,
yeah.
bro, when I gave this trade out here on the live stream,
Yeah.
the
Bye-bye.
one guy made 40k, bro. From just this.
Just from that push, bro.
yeah,
Imagine.
if you ask them now how much they made yesterday, they'll tell you that they made $300. Other guy made 11k. Other guy made 50k. People are making money for free, bro, the whole time.
And
And that's
people
the
just
goal.
don't. Let's just appreciate this, guys. Let's value it because
Exactly.
I know. We never. I mean, when I started trading, bro, like 2016, the guys then were not even
There was
doing
no one
live
doing this.
streaming. There was no one, bro.
Exactly.
You had to pay for every single corner of this industry.
Literally.
So now everything comes out for free, man. You guys should appreciate this, you know. But yeah, you can see I'm not trading today, honestly. Gold is just doing its stuff, and
Exactly.
my guy wanna call it me. I wanna relax, guys. It's a Friday, man. It's a
You wanna
Friday.
go home, chill
Yeah.
out, the weekend starts, you go play golf, relax. One
Yeah.
time.
Then next week, see you guys on the stream. Let's
Exactly.
say 4,000 subscribers, and I'll be back with you guys. And yeah, we'll
100%.
take
But
it
yeah,
to the top, man.
from there, guys, we are signing out here from the Space Markets offices. We will see you guys at 4 p.m. for Marco's stream. Marco, the entrepreneur, he'll be live streaming for you guys. And yeah, with that, Peter, have a great rest of you guys' day, and we'll see you guys 4 p.m. Peace out.